is going on? My name is AlTone, and this is the DRC DE45 Rock Crawler. Now the DE45 Rock Crawler has two motors on it, nice suspension. It is a crawler, so it's not too fast, and it can handle quite a bit more terrain than you might think it's able to. Because of the way it's built, it has really good ground clearance, and it can get over some obstacles that might surprise you. It has top LED headlights, a metal shell, and anti-slip tires. It comes with two rechargeable batteries, and with the two included batteries, you get about 90 minutes of runtime, which is a great amount of time to keep a kid busy. And it's not an extremely fast car because it is a crawler, so it is safe for running inside your home and outside. But you will need two AA batteries for the controller, which are not included. I would like to thank DRC for sending this out to me to try out. It's an absolutely fantastic little metal shell car, and I'm looking forward to seeing what kind of trouble I can get into with this little guy. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I look forward to talking to you again in a future video.